If you're on a journey to monitor and improve your health and fitness, a smart scale can be a game changer. These intelligent devices not only provide you with accurate weight measurements, but also offer a range of additional insights, making it easier to track your progress. Renpho's basic smart scale is good value. It's an attractive scale that comes in black or white and connects to your phone via Bluetooth. It's a solid all-rounder that's compatible with Apple Health, Fitbit, Samsung Health, and Google Fit. There's a clear digital display at the top, but bear in mind that the only measurement you'll get on the scale is your weight. You'll need to open the app to see the other 12 metrics, which are laid out in an easy-to-read format. We tested the battery-powered model, but there's also a USB charging version. £33 and 99 pence in the UK, $26.99 in the US, which may be more handy. Our list of the best smart scales is now complete. If you thought this video was helpful, click the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Please express your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful to you in any way so that you won't miss any future videos. Whoever had arrived at this point, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.